Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill we're making some sticky and delicious honey sriracha wings that you're gonna love. And just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this cook. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. Other than that, let's get into the cook. So everyone loves a good hot wing, but when it comes to spicy wings, there's a lot of different options out there, which is why today we're gonna be making these honey sriracha wings, which packs great flavor, but still offers that spiciness that we're looking for in a good wing. So to get started with this recipe, you're gonna need some chicken wings. I've chosen today to get the full wing intact. This is sort of my preferred way to cook them and eat them, just because this is just my preference. So to prepare the wings, let's get them seasoned up first with a little bit of olive oil and just coats the outside surface with this. This is a little bit of a red pepper infused olive oil, which is gonna go real great with complementing that sriracha sauce. All right, those are all coated with our oil. Next, I'm gonna apply a simple barbecue rub. In here I have 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, and a half a tablespoon of paprika, just to give it a little bit of color. And so go ahead and place that over your wings. And the reason why I'm keeping it simple like this is just because I want the flavor of our sauce to come through really well. And so this is gonna season it, provide a base layer of flavor, but not much more than that. All right, flip them over. We'll do the same to the other side. So there isn't really anything else we need to do to prep these wings, so let's go ahead and get the kettle set up for cooking around 400 degrees. To set up our grill, I filled up a full chimney basket of briquettes and got them fully lit, and then I dumped it into the kettle, closed the lid, and got it up to temperature. So with our kettle up to temperature, it's now time to get these chicken wings onto the grill and begin cooking them. With the chicken on the grill, the last thing I'm gonna do is place a few little pieces of hickory over the coals, close the lid, and begin cooking. While we have our wings cooking on the grill, let's go ahead and start making our honey sriracha sauce. So to begin making our sauce, you're only gonna need 4 things. We have some honey, some sriracha, a little bit of soy sauce, and an optional lime. And so start by placing your honey into a warm saucepan. And today I'm using a creamed honey, and this is because when it cools a little bit, it will actually thicken up a little bit, giving it a real nice texture. To that, I'm going to add in another half a cup of sriracha, and this is where you need to really experiment for yourself, because you may find that a half a cup is a little bit too spicy, and so maybe start with a quarter cup or a third of a cup and work your way up from there to your preferred taste. Just gonna stir that around, making sure that it's not burning. To this, I'm gonna take a little bit of soy sauce, and I'm gonna add in about 1 tablespoon. Then the last thing I'm gonna do is take a half of a lime, and I'm gonna squeeze that into this sauce. And this is just gonna brighten up a little bit. So stir that all together. Once all of our ingredients are together, just go ahead and give it a little taste, just to see what it might be missing for your taste. Maybe you need a little more honey, more sriracha, more lime even, but go ahead and give it a taste. Whew, that's great. It's got a nice blend of honey and sriracha. This is my preferred way to make this sauce. Once our sauce is ready, I'm gonna let it simmer just for 1 or 2 minutes before I remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Our wings have now been cooking for about 30 minutes, and they should be close to being done. So let's open up the grill and get a temperature. These wings look amazing already. They got some great color going on. And so let's just probe them and see what the temperature's at here. Got 170, 180. Perfect. These are reading between 178 and 182, 83-ish. And so these are done. We're looking for 175 to 185 is sort of my sweet spot. And so let's go ahead and brush some of this sauce onto these wings, and let's let that set a little bit. And we'll flip them over and do the same on the other side. Once your wings have been sauced, we're going to close the grill and we're going to let that sauce set for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I've let the sauce set on these wings for about 7 minutes now, but what I'm going to do is open up the grill and give one final coating of this sauce. So I'll let this sauce set for another 7 minutes or so before I pull them off to get ready for the taste test. These honey sriracha wings are all done, and man, do they ever look amazing. Let's go in for the taste test here. It's got a nice pull apart there. This is the flat here. As expected, these wings have so much going on, from that kiss of smoke from the kettle to the sweetness of the honey and that spicy bite of the sriracha. This is absolutely wonderful to eat. It's sticky, it's delicious. Wow. So that's how you make that incredibly delicious, sticky honey sriracha sauce for your next feast. Hey, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.